solve x plus 4 over x minus 3 less than 2. As we know that 10 is greater than 5. If we multiply 2 on both sides, 2 multiplied by 10 is greater than 2 multiplied by 5. 20 is greater than 10. But if we multiply a negative number, suppose we multiply minus 2 multiplied by 10, then we have to change this sign, minus 2 multiplied by 5. Minus 20 is less than minus 10. So from this we conclude a result. Whenever we multiply inequality, if our number is greater than 0, positive number, so we do not change the inequality symbol. When we multiply a negative number, we change the inequality sign. Okay? So here we do not know x minus 3 is positive or negative. So we have two cases. Case 1. Suppose x minus 3 is greater than 0, which implies that x is greater than 3. From this, we consider x minus 3 is positive. When we multiply this x minus 3 to this side, so we do not change. So we do not change this inequality symbol because we consider x minus 3 as positive. X plus 4 less than 2x minus 6. Now we solve. We bring this x to this side and this 6 is this side. 4 plus 6 is less than 2x plus 6. X when goes to right side, it become negative. 6 or 4. 6 and 4, 10. 2x minus x. X is greater than 10. X is greater than 10. So here x is greater than 3 and here x is greater than 10. This implies that when x is greater than 10, it is automatically greater than 3. So from here we take only x is greater than 10 because when x is greater than 10, it is already greater than 3. So inequality hold. Case number 2. Case 2. When x minus 3 less than 0. Now we will multiply this x minus 3 less than 0. So we have to change. This inequality sign 2 into x minus 3. Good. X is less than 3. Minus 3, when this minus 3 goes to right side, it becomes positive. Now solving this, x plus 4 is greater than 2x minus 6. Now we bring this x to this side and minus 6 to this side. 4 plus 6 is greater than 2x minus x. 10 is greater than 2x minus x, or x is less than 10. From this, we can conclude when x is less than 3, it is already less than x is less than 10. So our solution is x is less than 3 and x is greater than 10. X is less than 3. Less than 3 and this interval, and greater than 10 this one, x less than 3 to minus infinity union 10 to plus infinity. This is our solution.